Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel and today lalamon tayo. Lalamon tayo. Kakain tayo ng Arabic foods. These foods I will most of these foods are Arabic or Egyptian or what?
Arabic and Egyptian, it's almost
Same?
almost.
So, same lang daw siya lahat, guys. So, how are you, Dade?
Hi, babe.
Okay, say to us your foods.
That falafel.
Okay.
That
Falafel is what?
falafel is vegetable. They
Mixed
make it
vegetables.
mixed vegetable and they fried and like that.
Okay.
And that stuffed eggplant.
Eggplant. Na may, I think there's beef on this one.
No, that not beef. That only chili. Yeah, and there's some spice inside, and it is spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
But not too much spicy, but spicy.
Okay, so this one, rice
That
with
fata.
fata. They
We
call it fata.
fata. That's for kawara.
Okay. This one,
That mumbar they call it.
mumbar. What's inside? Rice,
Rice,
also?
yeah.
This one,
That often rice with beef.
they
They
oven
call
bake,
it
oven
muhammari.
bake.
Oven bake, yeah.
What's mamari?
Muhammar,
Mamar.
yeah.
This one is
Fried-
eggplant, fried eggplant. This one is
Rice.
their rice,
Rice.
normal rice
That normal rice with noodles.
with noodles. I don't know why they are putting noodles.
That koshari. That very
This is
famous.
koshari with this sauce, right?
Yeah, that
With this
sauce for koshari,
Yeah.
yeah.
This one is
Molokhia.
Molokhia. Molokhia is saluyot. Saluyot with I don't know what is this one. Hindi pa kasi ako kumakain nito, guys. So this is
Kawara.
Kawara, gaya nung niluto niya nung last time. This one is
Hamam.
They call it hamam. Hamam is small bird, right?
Small part, yeah.
Small bird.
Yeah.
With rice and chili. And this eggplant. And what is that one? I don't know what do you call this one.
Pepper,
Eggplant
that
also?
green pepper, that
Bell pepper?
yeah, bell
With
pepper.
ground beef ba? Or rice also?
Ground beef and rice together.
All rice. And there's a last one on this one. This is?
This omali,
Omali,
that's sweet.
my favorite. Okay. So let's start eating. Let's start our mukbang. Ayan. Let's eat, guys. So what we will start now? I don't know what
Appetizer,
to
start with falafel. No,
falafel.
falafel. You will put it كده in that
This one?
that
The
tahina
sauce?
sauce, yeah.
So
we call
guys,
it
ito
tahina.
yan siya. Yung falafel. This one is green peas, right?
Green,
Yan
yeah.
natin. Kinakain ko to pag walang sauce. Pero sabi niya, masarap daw. Masarap daw siya pag may sauce. But what is that sauce? Something sa, strong. Very
They
strong.
call it tahina.
Huh?
Tahina. That sesame, they make it like that.
Sesame seed. Pero masarap siya, guys. Tsaka, I think this one is nutritious, right? Because it's all vegetables. Right?
Yeah.
I don't know if we will finish all this one.
I don't think so. And you should try that eggplant.
This one. But why you're
Stuffed.
giving it all?
I will eat also.
You will also.
Yeah.
You're giving me too much, no?
Eggplant,
Eggplant with what? This one.
spice inside.
Because, guys, I'm already how many years here in Doha? I never eat in one sitting all Arabic food. Minsan halo-halo lang siya. So I'm eating the one which I like only, like this kawara, umali, of course, my favorite. This one I eat also. What do you call this one?
Koshari,
Koshari. Fatta. Where's fatta?
Fatta.
Fatta and this one.
mumbar,
And there's one that one which we
tarb.
Tarb, yeah.
That when we that's a different issue.
Yung tart na yun, kinakain ko yun. But this one, I never tasted this one. This,
Molokhia.
Molokhia. Ano daw to saluyot na parang hiniwa-hiwa. Tapos they put beef on that one.
Yeah, beef or chicken, but that one beef.
This one, guys. Yan. Para siyang, is this soup?
Same like soup, but it is
So,
green.
titikman natin siya lahat. And this one, I never eat this hamam. Scared of this hamam.
Hamam have a special way to eat.
Really?
Yeah, we'll show them.
Okay, so tapos itong mga bitinggan nila. Sour? Give me some rice.
Yeah, ini.
Sour. Sour siya, guys. O, yun sinasabi ko yung totoo,
We'll show
Pero
them
may lasa naman.
piece by piece, little by little, what everything.
Little by little. Pero may lasa naman ng food nila. Hindi yung walang lasa talaga. Sino ba nagsabing walang lasa ang food ng Egyptian? Because somebody said that Egyptian food is not nice. Joke. Yan. So, let me see this, Yung fried bitinggan, of course, parehas din ng bitinggan natin. Pero siguro may ibang way sila. Give me some rice, Daddy. May ibang way sila ng pagluluto ng bitinggan. So, your rice, I don't understand why you need to put this noodles. Small noodles.
That rice, they make it special for molokhia.
Ah, you need to put here molokhia?
Yeah, little molokhia with beef.
So, kailangan daw yung rice na yon para dito sa molokhia. By the way, all these foods, thank you sa sponsor namin. Coming from, we order it from Kan Farouk. As they said that Kan Farouk has the best Arabic foods. So, Kan Farouk, next time it will be free. So, masarap naman kasi nakatikman ko na siya before doon. So, we will try. What is that taste?
That molokhia taste.
Because of the beef siguro. May beef siyang kasama, guys, So, kung kumakain kayo ng saluyot sa Ilocano, because we have like that in saluyot, but we are not chopping it very, very small.
No, here they make it very fine. Yeah, same like soup.
So while we are eating, Daddy, I want to ask you something. Next week, it will be Filipino food, so next week you will be the one who will ask me, di ba?
Yeah, sure.
So this is question to you. Okay, so I have already the list here. So what is the one thing I don't know about you?
The one thing.
One thing I don't know about you.
Why you sure that it is only one thing you don't know about me?
Okay, give me one thing nga. Ano ba naman yan? One thing that I don't know about you.
Okay. You don't know about
Don't tell me. Ang tagal lang sa
because I said to you almost 99% from all my life, even when I'm kid. But sure, Masa, you don't know about my uncles from names. You know? Second.
Bullshit na to. Ano ba yan, Daddy? Say something about you.
About me? You know everything.
So, no secret?
No.
Huh?
Because you are, even before we married, we are long time together. You know almost small details about me.
Okay. Wait lang, guys. So, my second question.
No, don't eat that one again because
What?
we should show them different issue. Yani.
Ano pala? What, this one?
That koshari also.
Okay, let's try koshari, guys. So far, okay naman kasi nag-enjoy naman ako. Parang Filipino foods din siya, no? But, This koshari, I don't understand why they need to put
That mix for the
macaroni.
that koshari. That's for public people.
Public?
Oh yeah, yeah. On the street, they make it like that. Mix koshari,
So
rice,
that they will be
noodles.
full alatul?
Yes.
Okay, what's the pair of koshari?
With koshari, only the sauce.
Only this
Koshari,
sauce?
half sauce only.
So
yeah.
itong sauce niya, guys, oh. Okay, let's try. We don't have another spoon on this one. If you could speak one other language, what would it be? If you can speak another language.
Tagalog, I know little, and when you spoke, I can understand. But your local language, because guys, she used that one when she don't want me to understand what she is saying. What is that language?
Ilocano.
Ilocano. That
Wag natin siyang tuturuan
I
ng
cannot
Ilocano.
understand even one word.
So, alam nyo na guys if you want to make chismis, don't speak Tagalog or English because he can understand little on that one.
Yes.
You should speak Ilocano, okay? Okay. But there should be ulam on this one. There
No,
should
no.
be beef or something like that. Just
No,
Lord.
that without anything. Now, guys, we will go to something else.
Yeah.
We will show you mahamar, that often white rice with beef. That
Yeah.
they make that one. They make the
Spicy.
rice instead of water, they make it with milk. And they put heavy cream on the face. Milk and soup of the beef.
Okay, let's try that one before this one because it's very spicy. Spicy pero feeling ko sa mga kumakain ng tawag diyan, yung mga kumakain ng spicy, who like spicy, they will like this koshari with this chili sauce because it's very nice. And for sure, as Filipinos, we will like to have this one with shrimp or fried fish. It will be more better, I think. This one is what?
That
With beef.
baked, yes, that baked white rice with beef.
Yeah, may beef siya, guys.
Thank you.
You want more?
لا خلاص. Thank you.
I know you miss this one because how many months you are not eating Arabic foods, right?
How many months? How many years?
So when I told him we will make Arabic food mukbang, he said, Alatul, okay, I order. So all these things, guys, he is the one who ordered because I don't know the Arabic food, some Arabic food. So he ordered all these things for us to taste. What do you call this one?
Mahamar.
Mahmar. Rice, oven baked rice with beef, right?
Rice with milk, soup of beef,
May milk pala to.
and the cream on the face and put it on the oven.
This one is nice. I like this Mahmar. Right? I have third question on you. This one. If you could travel to only 3 countries, where you will go?
There is 2 countries sure I will go.
Where?
Philippines and Egypt. Your city and my city.
If you could travel to only 3 countries, there's another one more.
I like Japan. I like Paris.
And
And I'm always going to Dubai.
you still not tired of Dubai?
No.
Okay, if you could be an expert at anything, what would it be? If you will be an expert on doing
If I
something
want to be
or
expert, to be,
masarap tong mamar, guys, Yeah.
I want to be pilot.
Pilot? You're a liar.
Yeah.
You said before you want to be a doctor.
No.
Then you want to be veterinarian. What?
Doctor.
Yan?
Doctor, then when I am in high school, okay, That is what in my hand. I can study good because I am heavy study. I can be doctor. That easy for me. But
Okay.
what I dream and I know it is very difficult to me to be is pilot.
Oh, sayang. Why you didn't make it pilot?
No, it
So
is
we can travel around the world.
physically they have too much tests. Not easy to be pilot.
Really?
Yeah.
So okay, let's try this one. This hamam, how it will be.
Hamam have a special way to eat.
First time to eat hamam. Okay, but that mamar is one of my favorite na because it's nice. It's
You
like
catch hamam
sweet and ano,
by two hands.
two
Two hand
hand. Okay.
like that. Look to me, but I want to leave it. Keda and from here by your mouth. Yes. No, not by hand. By your
What?
mouth there. Keda. That is the normal. Yes. Yes, like that.
This is young bird,
Yes, that hamam.
not
That,
young ano eagle.
no, don't worry.
Masarap naman siya, guys. Sinalo-halo nila yung tawag dito. Yung kanilang taste daddy. But I like the mamar. Nalo-halo niya yung laman nung bird doon sa rice. So, parang normal lang din. Pero parang ang foods, your foods are like almost same, no? Same taste. I don't know. But not unlike Filipino foods. Maybe next time we will do that one after this. They have different way, right?
Yes.
Different taste. Then, okay.
That now she will try mumbar.
What is mumbar? Ah, okay. Mumbar is what?
I don't know.
What is mumbar? This is intestine. They put rice on the intestine.
Yes.
I have another question.
Yes.
What is your favorite memory of us together that you cannot forget? Ano ba itong mga question? Parang
Yeah.
teenager. Yes? You cannot think.
No,
My
I
God,
think, but
Daddy.
I have something in my.
Okay, what's something in your mind?
No, my.
In your
eat.
mouth?
Yeah.
Okay.
That when first time I saw you in my office.
Huh?
Yeah, that I cannot forget.
You cannot forget
From
because
that,
time
first second,
you cannot forget about me, right?
I said that lady will be with me.
Grabe ka naman your confidence.
No, that something yani in my mind.
Huh? In your mind only.
But after that, you run and not back. And
Then?
suddenly, I listen that you come back. I don't know how, but
But you know your kawara is more tastier. Kaya siguro yung
Yeah, I am
ibang
not,
Filipina, that Filipina,
I am not easy in
somebody
kitchen.
told me that kawara is not good, no taste. But really, your kawara is more better. And more softer yung balat niya. Siguro kasi kailangan niyang tawag dito. Kailangan pang palambutin tong kawara.
Why you eat kawara بدون فتة kawara?
Huh?
You should show them the فتة kawara.
What is that?
That فتة for kawara.
This is for this one?
Yes.
Guys, itong fatta daw. Ayan. This is for this kawara. Silang partner pala sila. Parang tayo din. Pag may gulay, kailangan may isda. Ganun. What is the greatest strength of our marriage?
The greatest what? Sorry?
Strength.
Our love is the greatest strength of our marriage.
Okay. What are your favorite, what is, because I'm revising the question, what are your favorite qualities in me? Daddy eat all.
Eat all what?
And then,
The most important thing, let me love you so much that you are a very good mother.
aww,
Yeah.
Mahshi,
You're
know
caring
that.
about Matt and how you are worried about him and how you caring.
Mato?
Yeah, that's the most important thing. Let me say that lady have a very nice heart, and really she deserves the best what I can do for her.
See, guys? Okay, this is for all. What is your give us five advices about life. This is for general, ha. Since
For
you are already
general,
since you are already in the in
bl-
the in the
try to
first
fish first. It is
five nga, di ba?
that first and all. First, don't always look for the people higher than you, okay, and feel bad about yourself. Look for the people who don't have what you have and feel thanks for God that you have that one. Be happy what in your hand. Don't feel sad but because you don't have what the other people have.
It means that you should be contented on what you have.
And always have your life, not the other one life. Don't try to make copy paste from the others.
Okay.
Everyone have talent, have something in his person that make him can do something nobody else can do it. Be yourself. Go through the life by yourself, your mind, your personality. Don't look for someone he make something and say I will be copy from him to go to succeed. No, you will not.
See, guys, take it from the
Daddy Moody.
Daddy Moody. So, feeling ko hindi namin mauubos lahat to. Kasi, mabigat din yung rice nila. Since the rice, you are putting some oil. What is that one? What do you call that one? Ano ba ang pangalan nun, guys? Kalimutan. Ghee!
Yeah, ghee.
Ghee.
I said it.
You are putting ghee in the rice, right?
Yeah, we don't use oil that much.
Oh, you're not putting that oil that much, but in rice, you shouldn't put oil.
Yeah.
But I don't know why you are
No. For
putting
us,
ghee.
we put ghee and put the rice and make it like that little before we put the water.
I don't know why. Why?
I don't know. That is style of our. That's the way we are cooking the rice.
That is the way you are cooking the rice before. And
Can you
this is
give
Matt's
me-
favorite also. When he came here in,
Matt is her son. For
Yeah.
the people who don't know him.
Matt. Ay, yung anak ko. Ayan. Paborito niya to, umuali. Umuali. Umuali is oven baked. This is a special bread. I'm asking Daddy Moody how to cook this one.
It's
But
so easy.
he don't know how to cook it.
No, so easy.
Liar! You said you don't know. Sinungaling to. You said you don't know. Para siyang sakit, pagkain na may sakit. Or pagkain ng walang ngipin. Kasi malambot siya na may nuts, bread,
Milk,
milk, raisins.
butter. Yeah, they put butter.
They put butter in this one?
Yeah, butter, cream.
Butter, cream. Masarap siya. Especially the mamar. Mamar? Mamar, yes. Yun na yung bago kong paborito. And there are too much foods that we didn't show to you guys.
You
I
cannot
think
show
these
everything.
foods, we cannot show you everything because it's too much. Same like Filipinos. But these foods are ordered by Daddy Moody. Maybe these foods are what he missed Right?
Mm-hmm.
Nami-miss niya siguro tong foods na to, or ito yung talagang kinakain ng mga Arabic people or Egyptian people. Na sabi ko sa kanya, order ka ng Arabic foods and we will show to the to YouTube kung ano yung mga pagkain nila. So these are the foods he ordered. Thank you, Daddy,
Thank you, babe.
for ordering this one or this one. And next week, guys, we will show to him what are the foods, Filipino foods. But most of Filipino foods, you already,
Yeah, and I
you
like
already
it.
tasted it.
Yes.
Natikman niyo na lahat, guys. Balot, tuyo, daing na pusit, daing na lahat ng daing, tinapa. What else you tasted?
Everything almost.
Everything. And he loved the Filipino foods.
Yes, it is
Kaya
healthy.
bibihira kaming,
It is not same like our food or rice.
yeah.
It is different, yeah.
Kasi sa kanila, tingnan nyo, carbs to carbs. Ganon. So, sa Filipino foods kasi, balance siya. May rice with vegetable, with beef, with fish, with seafoods, something like that. But to them, may rice na. Like, for example, this one. You didn't taste this one, Daddy. You should taste it. What do you
No,
call
we
this
will
one?
show them. Mahshi.
Mahshi. For sure, a lots of Filipina who are working in the house knows about this one, Mahshi. Ate Luz also knows how to make like that. Mahshi, itong bitinggan na merong rice din. Rice inside. That one, rice, what do you call that one?
Mumbar.
Mumbar also,
Rice
with
inside.
rice.
Everything with rice.
Everything with rice. So, alam nyo na kung bakit maraming rice. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ang daming rice sa pagkain nila. Kaya, mas gusto niya minsan yung foods natin. Kasi medyo nakaka-diet siya doon. Pwede siyang kumain ng maraming fish, maraming ulam lang siya. Minsan konting rice lang. Nung nasa Pilipinas kami, gustong-gusto niyang ulamin is the smoked fish, yung tinapa. Gustong-gusto niya yung talaga, 'di ba? That's your favorite, tinapa. And what else? So let's see if we can find some different Filipino foods that he haven't tasted yet.
You will not found.
Huh?
You will not found.
Kasi halos lahat gusto niya eh. Even balot, you cannot scare him with balot because he already tasted it.
Yes.
And bihira lang dito may balot eh. So, pero natingman niya na yun sa Philippines. So thank you guys for joining us, for eating with us, for all these Arabic foods. And hopefully nagustuhan nyo siya at nagkaroon kayo ng idea regarding sa mga foods na kinain namin. And alam nyo na kung ano yung orderin nyo. But try the mumbar. Mambar?
Mumbar, yeah.
Mumbar, guys. Masarap
What
siya.
about Muammar?
What is that one?
Muammar.
Mamar. Yan. Isa yan sa medyo masarap yung lasa niya. Nagbe-blend yung lasa niya. May konting tamis, may konting alat, may parang siya. Masarap. Try nyong tikman yun. Tsaka itong umali, huwag nyong kakalimutan because this one is for dessert. It is perfect for dessert. So, thank you guys. And sa mga nag-like, nag-subscribe, and nag-share ng mga videos namin for 2020s. This is our first vlog for 2021. Thank you so much. And for those who didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell to keep you updated kapag may mga bago kaming mga videos. So keep safe and God bless, guys.